Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture we created this basic CSS. Now we will start learning more CSS. First create a folder named CSS and here we will create a file named basic.css. And from our previous code, let's cut all of this style and paste it in basic.css. And we will now link the CSS file here in our HTML. So link, and in the reference we will type css/basic.css. Here you can see the result. Let's change this heading 1 to heading 2. And let's write some code for this heading 2. We have removed a container, which means that now all of the h1 will have this property. For h2, let's change the font name to Arial. And add a font size to h1 40 pixels and h2 a font size of 30 pixels, not 20 pixels, 30 pixels. And here are our headings. Let's keep the font family same. Let's add more properties to our h1 like color, set this to blue, and if I do not terminate this, if I do not use terminator here, then you can see that it is not applying. We have to terminate this. Please remember, we have to use these terminators. And here you can see that we have this color and font family common in h1 and h2. It is a good practice to keep all the common elements in one. So h1 and h2 color blue and the font family to here. We will keep font size in h1 and h2 because font size is not common. And here we can now change color and it will apply to both of our h1 and h2. So this is the trick of doing things. Now let's add some style to paragraph, text align justify. And here we can see that the text requires some padding. Let's add some padding 20 pixel, and it is applying 20 pixel to all of 4 sides, top, right, bottom and left. First top 0 and then right 40, then bottom 0 and then left 40. Here you can see that the left part has more padding. Let's change this 40 to 0. Now it's looking better. And if we right click our document and click this inspect, then we have this part where we have all the elements, and the right part has all the styles. If we click an element, then we can see its CSS, and if we check or uncheck, then it will apply or not apply a CSS. Here you can see that all of our CSS codes are here. Strikeout is saying that this CSS is not applying. And here we can easily change our CSS properties. Here we have all of the options. During designing, this part is very important. We can add or change and see the live results. Once you are done with your CSS, then select all of the text and press Ctrl C to copy this, and then Ctrl V to paste it in your file. Paste it where you want to apply this CSS. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.